My name is Dr. Darryl Boyd, and I'm a research chemist at the United States Naval Research Laboratory in Washington, D.C., where I work in the Optical Sciences Division.
I am presenting research that we are doing on high refractive index infrared transmitting Ormehl-Chalk polymers. Ormehl-Chalk polymers are sulfur-based. Sulfur is an incredibly abundant element. Today it is principally produced from the oil refinery process. Large stockpiles of sulfur exist around all the oil refineries around the planet. These large stockpiles do present an environmental problem. In 2013, a group from the University of Arizona demonstrated that by adding cross-linking materials to molten sulfur, you can create polymers. The innovation that we have come up with is that not only using sulfur, but by using selenium and tellurium, we can make even more powerful optical polymers. So we take polycrystalline sulfur, selenium, and/or tellurium, add a cross-linking agent to it, and we're able to produce optically useful polymers that can be freestanding, they can be molded, we can make optical lenses with them, and we can actually make fibers out of them as well. One of the major features of these polymers is the impressive transmission that they have well into the infrared region of the light spectrum. In fact, they can transmit light even in the mid-wave. In addition to their very strong infrared transmission capabilities, these polymers also possess very high refractive indices. In fact, we were able to produce a polymer with a refractive index of 2.26 at about 635 nanometers, which to the best of our knowledge is the highest refractive index ever reported for a polymer that does not have additives like nanoparticles. Overall, Ormehl-Chalks are a new class of polymers that possess very useful optical characteristics that is typically not seen in a single material. These include high infrared transmission, greatly tailorable refractive indices, flexibility, moldability, their lightweight character, and their useful low manufacturing cost. I'd like to thank my colleagues at the Naval Research Lab who work on this project with me, and I'd also like to thank our funding agencies.